Pero dito ako sa Dubai, kinakanta niyo yung song, sobrang sarap po sa feeling. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Anyway, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa lahat ng pumunta. Kahit po ang init, ang dami natin pupunta kayo dito. Sobrang na-appreciate ko po yung effort niya lahat. Kaya this next song, ay para sa lahat na naghanda ngayong gabi. Gusto ko lang sabihin ang gaganda at ang gagwapo niyo ngayong gabi. Dahil dyan, this next song is for you. If you know this song, you can sing along. If you don't, you sit back and relax. I got you, right? This next song sounds like this. Wow. Baby, so my favorite melody.
Let's go, Brian!
Girl, I wanna bring you luwalhati yung bitin na sa'yo matay linig ang Dubai ang kahulog ang simple. You're the thunder on my rainy days. You lit the stars, left me all amazed. Had to travel from the heaven. Just came here without fun. Say what, boys? Hey, you never fail. You make me feel like Willie Stolen. You're the man who's into calm my ways. Can you sing me? Baby, you're mine.